Hey guys, I'm doing a video for the Zep Microwave Miracle Foaming Cleanser, and as you can see, my microwave is really nasty. I've already put the Zep cleaner in there. I got it free to try out for my review, and I put it in for, you start the microwave and it says 1 to 2 minutes, but I did a minute, and so let's see what it does. It's supposed to let it cool, so I've let it cool. See how good this stuff works. So far so good. A couple of nasty spots in there that I don't want to clean. Well, maybe I should have put it in for the 2 minutes. So we will try this again. Okay, so I did it for the 2 minutes, and let's see what it did after that. Let's see if it comes off. Oh yeah, much easier. So I recommend, when you're doing this, to do the full 2 minutes. Let's see what the top does. Instead of just the 1 minute. Oh yeah, so much cleaner. It just wipes right out of there. I don't really care that it's a foam, because I don't think it can get everything that I really want it to with the foam. I think a spray would be better. That way it can get to everything and not just stick to one certain spot. But this does work very well. I don't have to put too much pressure on wiping in order to get it off of there. There's still a few spots left, but it was really super nasty in here. But that is the Zep Microwave Miracle, the foam cleanser. And as you can see, it does very well at cleaning the microwave.